Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's describe the picture for beginners. Topic is girls cleaning the stable. This picture shows the two girls inside a stable. They are cleaning and organize the place. The girl on the left has brown hair in braids. She is wearing a green scarf tied around her head. She is dressed in a white striped shirt and blue jeans. She also has black boots on her feet. She is holding a green wheelbarrow filled with hay. The wheelbarrow has one black wheel in front. The girl looks cheerful while working. The other girl has blonde hair tied with a pink scarf. She is wearing a purple top and blue jeans. She also has black boots. She is holding a pitchfork with both hands. She is lifting hay with a pitchfork. There is a yellow hay bale on the ground near her. Behind her, a net bag full of hay hangs on the wall. The stable has wooden walls and gates. The gates are painted green and white. The floor is covered with dry straw. Light is coming in from outside, making the place bright. The girls are smiling and talking while working. Their teamwork makes the work easier. The stable looks clean and tidy. There are stalls for horses in the background. The girls are probably preparing food and bedding for the horses. The hay smells fresh and dry. It looks like a peaceful morning at the stable. Both girls are hardworking and happy. The picture shows that taking care of animals also means keeping their home clean. Questions and answers practice related to the picture. Question 1. What are the girls working in the picture? The girls are working inside a stable. Question 2. What is the girl with brown hair doing? Answer is, the girl with brown hair is pushing a wheelbarrow full of hay. Question 3. What tool is the blonde girl holding? Answer is, the blonde girl is holding a pitchfork. Question 4. What is hanging on the wall behind them? Answer. A net bag filled with hay is hanging on the wall. Question 5. How do the girls feel while working in the stable? Answer. They look cheerful and happy while working together. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.